In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Zoho logo from your invoice in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking for a more professional appearance or simply want to customize your invoices, this quick guide will help you achieve that. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page. This is your central hub on Zoho Books, where you can manage all of your accounting needs. If you're not already familiar with this interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout. Now, you'll want to locate and click on Settings. You'll typically find it in the upper right corner of your screen. It's where all the customization and configuration takes place. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the tab labeled Organization. This is the area where you can manage all the crucial details pertaining to your business entity as it appears on various documents, including invoices. After selecting the Organization tab, a list of options will appear on the screen. Look closely and you'll find Branding. This is the section you need to access to make changes to how your invoices and other documents look. Clicking on Branding will lead you to another page where you can see the current settings for your company's visual identity on Zoho Books. Here, within the branding section, you'll notice an option called Organization Logo. This specific feature gives you control over the logo that appears on your invoices. Under this option, you'll see the Zoho logo along with an option to modify it. Now, to remove the Zoho logo, ensure you're on the Organization Logo setting. Look for the button or link that says Remove Logo and click on it. This action will automatically remove the Zoho logo from appearing on future invoices, giving your documents a cleaner, more personalized look. This can be particularly important for businesses that wish to maintain a consistent and unique brand identity in all forms of communication. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed the Zoho logo from your invoices. Before you finish up, don't forget to save any changes if prompted. This ensures that your settings are applied correctly moving forward. By customizing your invoice branding, you're making steps toward better establishing your business's identity and professionalism. Hopefully this guide has helped you get the look you want for your invoices. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this quick tutorial has empowered you to take control of your branding in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.